to me, Anthony. Human being a corruption. That's why I tell you, say, crime can't stop.
When you hear that, my viewers, I see them way some feel, After I watch the thing, I see say them rob Kishane Thompson at the 100 meter at the Paris Olympics. So now welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We're going to talk about the Olympics plus 3 youth life gone down the drain. And I'm going to listen to a voice note how mistaken identity can make your 3 points gone, boy. Some people want to listen to this.
Yeah, the man them a say, them things say, I want youth from over the Chinese side. You see me, them things are him. That's why they come and kill Jimmy. What kind of fucker that? A big fucker that, brother. Because them things are a man in from over the Chinese side. I make them kill the youth. Bomb buckle out to them youth, man.
When you hear it, them viewers, the youth them now have no sense, boy. When you see how a mistaken identity make a man lose them life. The man that we may talk about my people are David Daniels, aka Jimmy, aka Jumbo Lion, aka Danny Boy. Did I wash him chuck, me I tell you no more viewers. And the killer them just walk up to the man and full up the man with a 9 ball. And hear it then open voice note. Man I talk about them think like say a man from over Chinese, what? My viewers, you see enough of them youth as when I say boy them nah no sense. Once as man tell them for run out, them ready for run out. All if I crash dummy mission, them no care. So as when I say, see it they know, Jimmy, Jumbo Lion, Danny Boy, just lose him life because of mistaken identity. And I saw it a go. And that do not tell me say my people. See with boy, the place lawless. Enough of them gunman you know say you are them run boy. So them can do whatever them want. Cause the only person them need to worry about a squaddy them. So as I say my people, my condolences to Jimmy. You hear that? Cause when I did tell you, them man mix up in a nothing, truck driver, we are doing look work for take care of him youth them. Some of viewers walk with me now. We're gonna talk about Olympics now. Where we see in the 100 meter, the boy them rob Kishane Thompson. My viewers, look upon them images here. Yeah, tell me say Kishane no win. And that one I go tell me say, till I'll see it they know, Noah lies win. And him a go on with a bag of thing. The Americans them attack a bag of thing boy. Through them get a little 1 gold medal. My people, we now watch no face, And we still a big up Kishane Thomas, Kinda our eyes are him win. As we may say, I rob the dog. But I saw the thing go boy. When you hear that my people. So as I say again, look upon them images of my viewers. We don't feel like say we take it, but through the board them rob we thing, them afraid of NATO, make them now want give it. But as I say man, big up yourself Kishane Thomas. You go out there and you represent like a real G. So my viewers, walk with me now. See them here, 3 youth them we squaddy fling down, in a 1 go, a Tyrell Heights, a Spain Town, My viewers, squaddy go for them. Man did a put up resistance. Squaddy them did a for just left them flat pan them face, me I tell you. And that's the thing there. This a go be the result for the whole of uni, get a youth. As I always tell you, no matter how bad a man feel like same is. Me say enough of una run round and a talk about a gun, weed, and obi and bleaching cream alone get phone money. Well, see it now. Una family them money have to go spend for bury una right now. So that's the thing there, boy. So see them here, my people. 3 youth them we squad go left flat pan them face in a Spain Town. Half of them a put up resistance. And I know them name bury some man. So my viewers, stay safe out there, Protect for 3 points out there, Until next time. Cause it's not a joke thing, boy. You hear that?